Okay, let us put in the final details of the goggle. So they have these little hinges right here, and those are really easy to make. Those are just two little cylinders. See them right here as well, and so we can do that very easily. So let's go up to our community tab, and let's go to 18 and drag this in. And we can turn this into a 2. Just still way too big. Let's change the height to 5, and let's go 1, 1. Okay, let's zoom in, hit F to frame. That's still way too big. So let's first change it. Change the color. And then let's do 0.5 and 0.5. Okay. I think we could do something better. This is very low res, so let's try and get one of our high res cylinders. So let's go down. Let's try the slice cylinder, see how that looks. Let's go down to 0.5 and 0.5. Yeah, it goes, its resolution gets pretty low. Let's try cylinder quarter. That's not gonna do it. So let's find the tube. There we go, high res. So let's see how that looks. So let's go 0 for wall thickness. That should make it a saw. Whoa. Okay, so that we get a higher resolution with this tool, but it unfortunately it'll still leave a little bit of a hole through it, and you can see that line going through there. So it never completely seals it. So we're just gonna have to deal with that low res that we have up here, which is fine. And get that into place. So I'm going to use the arrow key there. That looks pretty good. And let's duplicate it. Edit, duplicate, and let's make the new one. Make the height 2. make it 1. And just make it a little thicker. So we'll make it 0.8. Might be too much, but 0.8. Yeah, let's go. Let's go 0.7. And let's duplicate this, edit, duplicate, and just let's slide it up. And let's stretch it out. Do the same for this one. And I'm going to change the snap grid to 0.25. And I just want a little space between them. There. Let's look at our reference. They're just a little too thick. So shift select all 3 of them and group them. And then let's just squash them down. Could probably ungroup them and make the radiuses a little smaller, but so it's not too bad. Right now it's ideal for it to be this thick because it'll print. If we make it like exactly here, this will probably be too small and you'll lose that in the 3D print. We'd have to make it bigger for it to come out. So I'm just going to leave it like this. And let's just duplicate it. Well, first we'll group it. Shift select and group. And then duplicate, edit, duplicate, and I'm going to switch this over to 1 millimeter in the snap grid. I'm going to use the right arrow key and just slide this over. So we'll get this in position. I'll switch it to 0.25 so we can get it just right. Okay. And you can see that there's an alignment issue, so appears the goggles are a little too far over to the right. So we can fix that pretty easily. So I'm going to select all the pieces of the goggles and just group them, makes it easier. And I'm going to use the right arrow key and I'm going to move it a little bit to the left just once. Okay. Let's move this over a little bit using the right arrow key. Definitely looks better. So I'm going to select the band, I'm going to select the body, and then I'm going to select the goggles. And we're going to go to adjust, align, and we just want them aligned to the front here. So okay. I'll click away to turn that off, and that appears to have fixed the alignment issue. Okay. So we have the goggles done. Now we'll put in the eyes in the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe.